Good morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm working on number 26 of Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge. And for this week's challenge, we need a leftover art scrap in our workspace. So I am going to look through here. This is all the leftover little scraps of pages and things that I've created. A rubber stamp. I've got lots of rubber stamps. Not sure which one I'm going to use. Retro household project. I thought she was stunning, and that she is who I want to use. Although it might be big, might be too big. But we're going to use it anyway. I'll figure out other stuff. A mushroom or toadstool. I have got several mushrooms that I can use. I thought I already had one cut out, but it seems to be missing. And then I also have mushroom like washi stickers. So I am kind of wondering what happened to my cutout. Oh, here it is. So I've already got this one cut out, although I do kind of like these colors better. So I may cut out this one too and just see how it looks. And yeah, here's my music paper, the Star Spangled Banner. I thought was fitting for 4th of July coming up here. So how are you guys doing? Are you in one of the states that's in the heat wave? We are. This is our 3rd day of heat wave, and I think it's supposed to break tomorrow. Our grandson is coming tomorrow for 4 days, and we're supposed to have thunderstorms the whole time. He wanted to go kayaking. I'm not sure now if we'll be able to do that. And also the zoo. Going in the cave shouldn't be a problem. 100 and whatever feet below Earth. But anyways, let's figure out what we're doing here. I'm going to cut my pieces out. And the only thing about this is this knife is in the way. But I guess we're just going to have to live with that. I can always cover it up with something else. But I'm thinking some music paper right there. Let's see. Definitely have to have something covering up, because you can see where I cut a page and then pasted it down there. I don't know if actually you can see it, but that's what happened. So, okay. We'll get that cut, and I'll get everything cut out, and we'll just assess where we're going to put everything. So I have decided to just go ahead and cover the whole background with music paper, so we won't be having the Star Spangled Banner in this spread. And I'm also thinking that I have a feeling this mushroom thing is going to be too big. I might have to split it up, or just use some of the mushrooms. We'll see. I just love her expression on her face. She looks like she's a mad housewife. Alright, so let's cut this off. In case you can't see what I'm talking about, so let's move some stuff out of the way. So I need to, here's my page. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. Add any glue if I need to. And of course my scissors are missing. Oh my gosh, here they are. They were in my basket. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you're staying cool. It's very hot and sticky here. And nighttime does not get much cooler. So So we're on 26. We're halfway through the year already. Can you believe that? I am going to edge this in some ink because, as you can see, it's very nicely naturally aged there. Okay. And let's see if I need to add ink, or I think it's actually the same exact color almost of the natural aging. Wow. Okay, maybe, I guess that's good enough. We don't want to go crazy. Alright, so we've got that. We need her. And a leftover scrap. I'm actually wondering if I just want a teeny tiny scrap of something. Got our mushrooms. I think this color would definitely go better. And I think I'm just going to kind of maybe cut out these 3 little ones here. And see how that looks. But I've got to find some kind of little scrap that kind of goes with it. And I'm I don't know. I think I'll look for my scrap, and oh, this was always one of my favorites. I'll use this somehow. Alright. So, what we could do is just kind of maybe put a little strip of this across the bottom. And I'll have to cut this little tab thing off. We can ink that up, and I think I'll put that right there. And let's see, my sepia ink. Maybe I'll just take this white part off if I can. Yeah. I've been watching some old episodes of this show called Ugliest House on the Block. The neighbors get together, I guess, and pick the ugliest house on the block to help fix up. And it's kind of cute. I like it. I like watching house fix-up shows. Alright, mushroom or toadstool. And then my vintage, so maybe I'll stamp something right along here. It can't be black. I'll probably use the sepia. And I'm thinking just something like this. So let's put that aside. And now let's get some mushrooms cut up and see how that looks. I was thinking maybe I would put the mushrooms coming up right here in this corner. Fourth of July weekend is coming up. What plans do you have for that? We usually have a little cookout, and we don't really go see the fireworks anymore. Most of them we can see from our house, actually. And then we buy some too that we just do ourselves. So get this. I'm probably not going to cut off, or I'm probably going to cut off all these leaves. I have not perfected cutting out fussy cutting little things like grass blades, blades of grass. So let's just kind of do this. And I feel like this should be out too. Alright, let's see how that looks there. And then maybe I will cut these other little ones out here and just kind of put them next to that. The only trouble is, maybe I'll extend this just a little. Maybe I'll do that. And that way I can hide the bottoms of the mushrooms under it. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So what I'm going to do now is, hopefully this is going to come out for me? That is the question. Air is coming out, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, I think it's coming. So we'll just put like the bottom strip of this there. Down. And then the bottom strip of this down. And yeah, that's good. And we can get our mushrooms down in there. Just like so. He's going there. I don't know about bells. I have a feeling I might, for the first time in my life, skip the bonus unless I can find some really cool picture of a bell. Let's cut out this side of these little ones. So when I got this book, it's called A Walk in the Woods, and there's a lot of like what you could consider journaling cards like this, and I didn't cut them all out, but I'm noticing that I'm starting to want to just cut them apart. And use them as cut-aparts. Alright, so I do want to cut out in there. And then my trusty little blade. Oops, sorry, I banged the camera. Poke that out. And let's see how that will look in here. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. So we're going to go with that. This is going to go like this. Should I move it over? Like that. No, we're going to do that. Ugh, I got glue on it. Okay, this is a little bit crooked. Alright, so we're going to do this. Now what have I got left? This is my art scrap, sheet music, rubber stamp, household project, mushrooms. Okay, so I can glue all of this stuff down, and we shall look in one of these books here if there's a bell of some kind that we could put on there. This ad came from a 1950 Woman's Day magazine. It only cost 5 cents back in the day. What are they now, like 15 bucks? Alright, so this is going to go here. And we'll do our mushrooms now. think I mentioned in one of my previous videos about Junk Journal July, which I'm going to try to do. Actually, I think I made a video. Yeah, I made a video of making my journal. So, and I do plan on trying to participate in Junk Journal July as much as I can. I have a video coming up of like the journal that I made for it. Okay. I have also learned that with gluing down very intricate and skinny little pieces, that it's better not to try to use a glue stick. Alright, let's cut off our edges. Oops, we don't want to glue it to the next page. So we have our mushrooms, and I was going to put this kind of like right here. So let's do that. Biz does everything for whiter washes. I was born in 1959, or not Biz does. I think there was a product called Biz 2 actually. I kind of remember, sort of. Well, that one didn't come out too great. Let's try again down here. That one came out much better. Alright. What I'm going to do is look through this book here, those two books, see if I can find a bell, and if I do, I will come and put it on. Alright guys, well, I could not find a bell in any of my ephemera or sticker books or anything, so we're leaving out the bell. This is the one and only time so far that I have left out the bonus. But anyway, we've got our week 26 of the Margarete Miller collage challenge. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, stay happy, healthy, strong, and cool if you can. Remember to drink lots of water in this heat, and try to stay in air conditioning, even if you have to go shopping to do it. Alright, we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.